Auntie.
Talk to me now. What happened?
He's not doing.
Who?
My husband.
Doing what now?
This is rainy season, no. Cold everywhere.
I don't understand.
That your in-law. You go work and come back. He will say he's not doing it.
Apostle will hear of this.
He says he's not doing it.
Is that why you're crying? Don't worry.
Auntie, no difference between a widow.
It's okay, don't cry.
Every time you tell me he's tired. He's not doing it. Me, I'm tired. I will come back.
I will talk to him. You will not come back. I will talk to him. You will change. You will do. Don't worry. Is that why you are crying? Outside.
Asema, got them, auntie.
It's okay. I will talk to him. It's not my issue. I will talk to him. You will listen to me. Stop crying.
Will you keep quiet?
So, let's go inside. I'm not gonna do this. What is all this for? What is it? Why are you holding them? What happened?
He's hurting me.
Photo.
What is hurting you?
He's overdoing it.
You complain that he's not doing it. Now he's doing it. You are complaining that he's overdoing it.
Overdoing it. I don't do nobody again. He's overdoing it.
So is the place hot or what?
She a gas her?
To come, let me go show you blood. He's overdoing it.
You want something to do? Sorry, please.
You be mumu.
You complain that
Think say they wise.
I'm not doing well. You are still crying.
No.
Don't worry now. You tell it to stop.
His alarm is sleeping in that
It will stop. Don't worry. You will get used to it.
I went up and
You
you
will
follow
get used to it. Don't you enjoy it too?
I went up to let you follow me.
This is what other women are looking for. You are crying for it.
Even the second cheese.
Yes. It's not your husband. You can do it getting there.
It's not that.
She reported me to you, Abi. Where is she? See, come back here. Come and finish what you started. She's not used to what? See, this woman has. See, I'm tired of her trouble. She should better come and let go. See, no. I'll not take that. Amina,
Please take it easy on her. Please.
see.
Now.
What does she do? See.
Take it easy on her. Please, my love.
Amina, come.
Hey.